how to calculate your income versus expenses, and finally see where your money goes. Ever wondered why your bank balance disappears before the month ends, even though you're sure you didn't overspend? Well, here's the truth. Until you know exactly how much money is coming in and where it's going, you're just guessing. And guessing is the fastest way to stay broke. Today, I'll show you the simplest way to calculate your income versus expenses, step by step, so you can finally see where your money goes every month and take back control. Let's start with the basics. Your income is any money that flows into your life, not just your salary. That includes paychecks or freelance earnings, side hustles, tips, commissions, or bonuses, investment income, like dividends or rental earnings, even small sources like selling old items online. Add them all up, that's your total monthly income. Now let's move to expenses, the money that flows out. This is where things often get messy. There are two types of expenses: fixed expenses and variable expenses. Fixed expenses stay roughly the same every month: rent, mortgage, car payment, subscriptions, insurance, internet, etc. Variable expenses, on the other hand, change month to month: groceries, eating out, entertainment, clothing, or impulse buys. Here's a simple way to organize it. Step 1 is to track every single expense for 30 days. Use an app like Mint, Notion, or a plain Google Sheet, which actually works so well for me. The goal is to be honest. Even that $3 coffee counts. Step 2 deals with categorizing your expenses into groups: housing, food, transport, debt, entertainment, savings. Each and everything. The last step is to add up each category and find your total expenses. It's as simple as it sounds, really. Now the math that changes everything is the comparison, the part most people skip. Take your total income and subtract your total expenses. If the number is positive, congrats, you're living below your means. That leftover amount is your savings potential, money that could go toward your goals, investments, or an emergency fund. If the number is negative, it means you're spending more than you earn, and it's time to adjust. Start by trimming non-essential expenses, the ones that don't add real value to your life. Here's a pro tip. Aim to spend about 50% on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% on savings or debt repayment. That's the famous 50-30-20 rule. It's not perfect for everyone, but it's a solid starting point to balance your lifestyle and savings. And let's be honest, tracking your income and expenses will also act as a motivation for you to start side hustles, so you can earn and meet your non-essential expenses. Tracking your income and expenses isn't just about numbers, it's about awareness. Once you see your money clearly, you start making decisions with intention. You stop saying, "I don't know where my money went," and start saying, "I know where every dollar goes." That shift? It's the beginning of financial freedom. If this helped you understand your cash flow better, hit the like button and subscribe for the next episode, where we'll talk about how to build a realistic monthly budget that actually works. And remember, your money should serve you, not the other way around.